Hey baby, as you know, I'm not a wonderful guitarist, but I used to flop along, and I was always keen on making the guitar sing the song on its own without actually playing just blank chords. So when you play a song for somebody, they should be able to recognize what you're playing, and they may say something like, oh, that's blah blah blah, because you play it in such a way the guitar sings it. I give you an example. Fingers crossed I get through it. Darkness, my old friend, I come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping lifted seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. Light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without listening, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one did disturb the sound of silence. Said I that you don't know, silent night and cancel blue. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, and my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sounds flashed out its warning, lifted seeds while I was sleeping, and the signs say the words of a prophet are written on a subway wall. Tell them all. That was called Sound of Silence, Miscombobulated.